3 easy steps on how to apply a tourist visa in South Africa.
Step 1. Gather your requirements. Filled up application form, 2 passport size picture with white background, valid passport for 6 months, Xerox copy of previous visa, booking certificate, hotel confirmation, certificate of employment indicating salary and duration of leave, original birth and marriage certificate from PSA, income tax return or ITR, invitation letter if someone invites you, a copy of recent bank statement or passbook plus original bank certificate verifying the balance your income. If self-employed, official business registration, DTI mayor's permit. If student, proof of enrollment at the school, college, university, guarantee letter from company, organization, institution, travel insurance 2.5 million coverage for Schengen visa with COVID coverage. Processing 10 to 15 working days. By appointment or personal appearance, photocopy of all documents submitted.
Step 2. For self-employed, filled up application form, link in description box. Step 3. For interview and lodging of application from here, VFS Global Manila, address, ground floor, Eco Plaza Building, Don Chino Rosas Avenue, Makati City, Metro Manila 1231, Philippines. As for the payment, the visa fee is free if you're staying for less than 30 days, or 2,525 pesos if you're staying for 30 days and beyond. This does not include yet the service fee with VFS 2,000 pesos, SMS notifications 120 pesos, optional, and courier delivery 370 pesos, optional. More info, BFS Global Manila, phone 6302-790-4915, email info.sep@vfshelpline.com, address, ground floor, Eco Plaza Building, Don Chino Rosas Avenue, Makati City, Metro Manila 1231, Philippines. Please like and subscribe. Share this to your friend if you think they need this.